The sample project that I've turned over to you, I use as a reinforcement in the labs. The concept here is they have a sample of a project plan, and they have the work breakdown structure. And I'm particularly interested in introducing the concepts of the phases. So what's important about, I think, in turning this over to the students, is that we describe the stages for the project management, which includes initiation, planning, execution, and closure. And then we relate those to the activities. So again, if we go to the activities, you can see that we have in the planning phase, we have an activity called Create Project Plans. So that's in section 1.2. If we move down to 1.3, you can see that we have the activity Create Project Plans, and then the task called Create Project Plan, Create Quality Plan, etc. In this case, at this stage, I only get them to create the project file, to add resources, and to also enter in the predecessors if they have time. If you scroll through the document, you will see that there's a section of milestones. I ignore that for now. They can get the duration for the task from the section 1.5 effort, and you can see that that varies through there. Here is the sample that I put in for what the project schedule should look like, including summary tasks. And again, the summary tasks are dictated by the indentations. We have the dependencies that we can enter in. Again, at this point, I'm not talking about assumptions or constraints or appendix. I just want them basically to create a project schedule with those factors. Once in project, you'll see how the phase, the activity, and the tasks all fit into the ultimate plan. So again, the initiation phase is not covered in this document. I did expand them just so the task numbers would add up, but we'll do that next case. So the students, again, are starting on the planning stage. They are going to have planning as the phase. They're going to have Create Project as the activity, and then they will have Create Quality Plan as the task. And that will be repeated throughout the document so that they end up with this plan. They can also, if they're so inclined, go in and figure out what the duration is for each of the tasks based on the document and what the predecessors are. I also allow them to go in and add the resource names from the document. And that's kind of it. Actually, they move fairly quickly through this, but again, I want to use this project file in the future to discuss different aspects of the lecture. So I have them save it to their locker so that they can download it for the next class if we choose to use it. Thank you. The one additional item that I had to explain to them again was how to indent and create summary tasks. Again, using the two sets of arrows here to indent the phases. Sorry for the rush video, but I thought I should at least get this out there in a rough form for you. Good luck.